All right, folks, so finally she's finished up, ready to roll. 2015 Chevrolet 2500 HD, basically about fully blacked out. Fully loaded truck, Z71 package. Truck's been lifted 6 inches on a BDS kit, Fox shock upgrade front and rear. Currently running 35s, tons and tons of tread left. We're wrapped on an XD 20x10. Iron Cross aftermarket upgraded rear bumper, aftermarket exhaust. Super clean truck from Virginia. No rust issues at all, as you can see on the pumpkin. Frame jet black. Tread knee deep in rubber. Fast fuel system underneath. Again, no rust issue. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous truck inside and out. Super, super clean. Some normal rock chips that you'll see on the bumper here and there. We'll touch them up as best we can. Obviously, you lift the truck, you're going to get some of that.
Hunger, folks, right here in your neighborhood, right next door, maybe.
Interior still like brand new in the rear.
Not knowing whether next
turn his radio off.
With Elizabeth Gilkey.
So fully loaded navigation, lane assist, dash is super clean, driver's side super clean. Tiny bit of wear, not much though. It was kept in really good shape. Sunroof. The truck does have 5 tunes from PPEI. It's been fully deleted, EGR delete, of course DEF delete, DPF delete. Everything else is stock as far as motor, stock injectors, stock turbo. So again, if this is a truck you've been looking for, if you want a super clean one, it's got a nice expensive kit in it, not a bunch of cheap stuff. Very well done, very well maintained. Mechanically, it's been through our shop over at Deluxe Motorsports 2. Absolutely no issues. It's just been fully serviced, oil change. We're getting ready to change the filters on the fast fuel system too, so they'll have new fuel filters on it as well. Again, Mark here at Deluxe Motorsports, bringing you a 15 Chevrolet 2500 LTZ in absolutely beautiful shape. Any questions, call me direct, 540-898-1300. You can also call me on my cell phone, 540-840-3432. Follow us on Instagram at deluxe_motorsports. You can go to our website direct, www.dlux-motorsports.com. Until next time.